Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, fans are coming for Ukhanyimbau left, right, and center. So this is a picture that she posted on Facebook. She posted a lot of these pictures actually. It was like 5 or 6, posting just how she was spending her day, and fans started coming for her in the comment section. They were like, "No, Kanyimbao, this is not you. You look like an alien. What actually happened?" And people were saying also that she looks scary. What happened to her body, because she seems to have lost a lot of weight. And also they are even saying that their face is bigger than their body. So, like, what is actually happening, Kanyimbao? You don't look like yourself anymore. You look like an alien. You just don't look like yourself anymore. You're not the Kanyimbao that they know, that their people know and love. And she does look different, guys. If you can check the weight, the face, she really does look different. But also, we can't say anything about the weight, guys, because people lose weight. Like, a lot of times they just lose weight. They want to be skinny and stuff. So maybe she was in her journey of losing weight and becoming a skinny girl. We don't know about that, but her face definitely does look different. With Kanyimbao, it's like she looks different each and every time that you see her picture. She looks different. Nje kuningi sana, kuningi. But I don't know, guys. What do you think of Kanyimbao's face? Do you think she looks different? Because when you look at this picture, you can't even tell immediately ukuthi this is Kanyimbao. So as people were saying that her head looks big now, the head is bigger than the body. Someone commented to say, guys, don't say that she will reduce her head now, because Sana, with Kanyimba, anything is possible. Girl is just here for the body, she is here for anything. But guys, I'm really concerned. I know it's not my business to be concerned about people's weight, but hey, angazi Sana, I really don't know. So people are just like, sissy, what is it? What's happening? But maybe also because she hasn't been posting in a while, it could happen that she was in a journey of losing weight or doing something to her face, because those are the two major concerns that people had, that her face doesn't look like her face and her body weight nje inciphile. But also, we have no opinions, guys, in people's weight and other things. It's their decisions. If they want to lose more weight than they already have lost, it's really their decision. Guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of Kanyimbao's new body? And also, do you think her body has changed? Because a lot of people are saying the body and the face has definitely changed. Do you think the body has changed? Do you think her face has changed? Leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys. I will see you on my next one.